Hi there, my name's Ricky Perrone, president of Perrone Construction. My company has been building high-end custom homes in Sarasota since 1980, and I want to welcome you to a project we've just recently finished, the Sea Nest Villa on Bird Key. One of the unique things about my company is we have access to so many amazing design professionals, and we listen to our clients' vision and understand how they want their home to look, feel, and act. I can't say enough good things about working with this team on this project. So today, our project team is going to walk you through this home.
I'm Allison Runnels of Allison Runnels Interiors, and this space is the great room. This room exemplifies so many great elements that have been carried through on this project. And it's really all about color and texture and warmth. In this space, we chose our clients' favorite colors, which were the blues and the greens, and really took that and ran with it, from the artwork to the pillows to the chairs. Another great element in this space is the Pecky Cypress ceiling that we've washed, which plays off the color tone of the kitchen countertops and the exterior stone that we have, and really creates that warm environment and brings in the texture that a space like this needs, in addition to the drapery creating that texture. The wonderful Belgian linens that we have here that's subtle but gives you that sense of warmth and coziness.
My name is Jeff Chick with Jeff Chick & Associates, located in Freeport, Florida. I'm the architect for the Sea Nest Villa. So when we first started working on this project, the challenge that we had to grapple with was the flood zone and the requirement that the finished floor elevation be 7 feet above the existing grade. And one of the ways that we tried to soften that was by terracing these planters down from the finished floor to the pool area. And one of the great things about that design detail is that it allowed us to remove the railing across the porch. So when you're inside looking out, you don't see any of the backyard area, and the house connects into the water like you're on a boat. And I love that more intimate connection to the water that eliminating the railing here allowed us to achieve. One of the things that was really important to the client was that this home be made 100% out of concrete so that we could have that extra storm resilience. And so it was a challenge for me to soften up the hard edges of the concrete. And so what we did was we layered on the upper story the fiber cement siding over the concrete block walls, so that we could bring in a little bit more of the character of that old Florida style of architecture.
Thank you for stepping inside and meeting our project team. Our company truly takes a lot of pride in the work we do and appreciate the opportunity to share it with you. If you'd like to learn more, we welcome the opportunity to meet with you and share some of the things that make working with Perrone Construction truly unique.